This video translation into many language. You can find your language in the translation sections.
Hello friends. In this video I will share with you how to use Vaseline for extreme fast hair growth. Vaseline is one of the simplest ways to boost your hair's level of health and growth is to keep it moisturized. Vaseline will prevent split ends and encourage growth. So friends, definitely try this amazing remedy at home. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. First we need aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Aloe vera is known for giving you good glowing skin, but its benefits don't just end there. It can also stimulate hair growth. Aloe vera contains a vast repository of amino acids and proteolytic enzymes. 1. These nutrients help improve scalp health and boost hair growth. Second, we need olive oil. Obtained from the olive tree, olive oil has many beneficial qualities besides its common use as an inexpensive and readily available culinary ingredient. Loaded with powerful active antioxidants that may help to reduce the risks from chronic diseases, olive oil has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It also contains vitamins E and K. When used on black hair, it can increase the moisture content, improve the condition and speed up the growth process. It's great when used as a massager for your scalp, especially if you suffer from dandruff, alopecia, or an itchy scalp. Last, we need Vaseline for hair growth. The nourishing properties of Vaseline improve hair growth. They make hair thicker, stronger and voluminous. Reduces scalp itching. Regular itching that is caused due to dryness can be treated with the use of Vaseline. Small amount of Vaseline can be massaged on the scalp. This moisturizes that scalp and the hair roots too. We have to mix it well. Mix it well. Ready for apply on your hair. How to use apply on white hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.